If you want to learn how to use analytics to optimize your proposal funnel in just a few minutes, you're in the right place. Most people waste hours testing random changes, but in this video, I'll show you how to make smarter, faster decisions using data, not guesswork. And by the end, I'll reveal the one metric most people overlook that could be killing your conversions. I've tested all the popular platforms, what works, what doesn't, and in this tutorial, we'll walk through how to use analytics inside the software I recommend. You'll find an exclusive free trial in the description below, only available to viewers of my channel. Start by identifying the exact stage where leads drop off. Is it when they first open your proposal, when they view pricing, or just before signing? This software gives you a breakdown of engagement at every step, so you can pinpoint friction. Once you've located the drop-off, look at the average time spent on each section. If viewers are skimming past a chunk you thought was important, it's time to simplify. On the other hand, if they're stuck on pricing for too long, that's a red flag. Either it's unclear or not compelling. Next, compare your high-converting proposals with your low-converting ones. What's different? This software helps you stack proposals side by side and spot differences in content length, layout, tone, and offer clarity. Even small shifts, like rewording your guarantee, can make a measurable difference. Now track open rates and time to sign. If your proposal sits unopened for days, it's likely not urgent enough. You might need to reposition the offer or add a limited time incentive. If they open but don't sign quickly, consider a follow-up email automation triggered by inactivity. This software lets you do that without leaving the dashboard. Don't forget to A/B test. Start with one variable at a time: headline, CTA, or pricing layout. Monitor results over at least 100 views for real insights. Resist the urge to change too much at once. It makes your analytics useless. Keep it simple, test, refine, repeat. Now here's that key insight I promised. Most people optimize for opens. But if your proposals aren't optimized for clarity and momentum, open rates don't matter. The true power of analytics is seeing why someone didn't convert and using that to build better proposals, not just prettier ones. Quick recap. Find your drop-off points, analyze time spent per section, compare high versus low converters, monitor open and sign times, automate smart follow-ups, and run A/B tests one change at a time. Every proposal should be treated like a mini sales funnel, with data guiding the strategy. Before you go, don't forget to check the description for that exclusive free trial. It's the same software I've used to help clients increase proposal conversions by 30% or more, and it's free for you to try through the link. The key takeaway: using analytics to optimize your proposal funnel turns guesswork into growth. Numbers don't lie, use them.